graph of a function. Determine some ordered pairs that are solutions of the functions. Then plot enough points and connect these points in order. Example 1. Sketch the graph of y minus 2, 5 equals to 5. So the first thing to do here is assign values for the x, then substitute the value of x in this equation y equals to 2x plus 5. Then put the value y here, then the points x and y. So you have that one. Substituting the value 2 times minus 2 plus 5. This one equivalent to 1. And you have that 1 point minus 2, 1. So this one is you have that 1, 2 minus 1 plus 5. This one is 0, no, 2 times 0 plus 5. This one is 2 times 1 plus 5. This one is 2 times 2 plus 5. So you have this one 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So the points here are minus 1, 3. So 1 is 0, 5. So 1 is 1, 7. This one is 2, 9. So these are the values of x and y in order to graph the curve y minus 2x equals to 5. So we'll of the graph plotting the points we have solved in the table. So this one is minus minus 2, 1. So this one minus 2, 1. So this one is minus 2, 1. Next is minus 1, 3. So one is minus 1, 3. This point is 0, 5. 0, 5, 1, 7. This one is 1, 7. This one is 2, 9. So this one is 2, 9. So this is the result of the plotting of the points to determine the line. So this line is equivalent to y equals to 2x plus 5. So we'll continue. Sketch the graph of y equal to x squared minus 5. So the same as earlier in example 1, you have to solve the value of this one. So this one equivalent to minus 2 square minus 5. This one is minus 1 square minus 5. This one is 0 square minus 5. 1 square minus 5. 2 square minus 5. So the values would be minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, minus 1. So your point xy equals to minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4. 1 is 0, minus 5, 1, minus 4, 2, minus 1. So this is the result of plotting the functions on the functions y equal to x squared minus 5. So this one is minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 this one, then you have that one minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1. So this one minus 2 minus 1. The point here is minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 minus 4. So this one minus 1 minus 4. So this one minus 1 minus 4. Next is 0, 5. This one is 0, 5, 0. Then you have that one is 5. This one 0, 0, 5. 0 minus 5. Then you have this one 1 minus 4. This one 1 minus 4. This point there is 2, 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So this is the result of the graphing. So try yourself. Sketch the graph of y equal to 2x squared plus 3 and fill up the table below. So what you do here is simply follow the examples on Anton and fill up this one. Given values, x there, and you have that one, the equations of y 2x squared plus 3. Then solve value of x there, substitute, then the value of y and the point xy. So try to follow the one there as in example 1 and 2. Right, the same thing for this. Try yourself y equal to 3x plus 7. So continue filling up the table this one. Substitute your x there, then solve y, then point x and y. So if you want to know the answer of this one, the graph of this one, you can have that one at the next page. So this one. So this is the result of that two graphs. Try for yourself. Y equal to 3x plus 7 and y equal to x squared plus 3. So this is the result after getting the points, and if you try putting points by point, the result will be like this one.